Hello everybody, and in this lesson we're going to continue tackling the verb to be in Hebrew. So this time we're actually going to see how the verb to be behaves with different nouns, including also the words it, this, and that. So without any further ado, let's get started. It's good. זה טוב. So by the way, I remind you that the verb to be in Hebrew does not have present tense, so therefore it is, we are, he is, you are, I am. We don't have the am, is, and are at all. So about present tense, you'll simply use the noun and then you will describe it. And that's it. It's not good. זה לא טוב. It's important. זה חשוב. It's not important. זה לא חשוב. It's simple. זה פשוט. It's not simple. זה לא פשוט. It's interesting. זה מעניין. It's not interesting. זה לא מעניין. It's hard. זה קשה. It's not hard. זה לא קשה. It's easy. זה קל. It's not easy. זה לא קל. So when we have a masculine noun, it was will be היה. When we have a feminine noun, it was will be הייתה. If we have a plural noun, so those were will be היו. In future tense, it will be, if it's a masculine noun, it will be יהיה. It will be, if it's a feminine noun, it will be תהיה. Plural nouns, those will be יהיו. It was good. זה היה טוב. It was not good. זה לא היה טוב. How was it? איך היה? So this is more of a question addressed to a man. How was the event? Or how was the party? Or something like that. So the question will be plain and simple. איך היה? It was good. היה טוב. And notice that I didn't use זה, because I don't need to add זה. זה is for more of nouns that are not really events. So זה is used more when we're talking about nouns that are not about events or things that happened. Was it easy? היה קל. It was not simple. היה לא פשוט. Was it interesting? היה מעניין. It was not interesting, but it's important. לא היה מעניין, אבל זה חשוב. What will be? מה יהיה? Will be good. יהיה טוב. I hope that it will be good. אני מקווה שיהיה טוב. Will it be interesting? יהיה מעניין. I hope that it will be interesting. אני מקווה שיהיה מעניין. Will it be difficult? יהיה קשה. It won't be simple. זה לא יהיה פשוט. It's a pretty house. זה בית יפה. How is the house? איך הבית? The house is very nice. הבית יפה מאוד. How was it work? איך היה בעבודה? At work, it was very hard. בעבודה היה קשה מאוד. How is the party? איך המסיבה? The party is excellent. המסיבה מצוינת. How was the party? איך הייתה המסיבה? The party was good. המסיבה הייתה טובה. The party was amazing. המסיבה הייתה מעולה. How were the parties? איך היו המסיבות? All the parties were good. כל המסיבות היו טובות. Will the party be good? המסיבה תהיה טובה? The party will be amazing. המסיבה תהיה מעולה or מדהימה. When there will be buses. מתי יהיו אוטובוסים? There will be buses in the morning. יהיו אוטובוסים בבוקר. Thank you so much for your attention, guys. So I hope that you found this video educating and it helped you a lot. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And just a quick reminder, English is not my native language, so if I make some mistakes, I really apologize about it. And some of the sentences that are in English over here in this presentation is on purpose with some minor grammatical mistakes, so you'll have an idea of what I'm talking about in Hebrew, because those are expressions that you don't really have in English. So this is why it is that important for me to make clear that Hebrew has a lot of expressions that don't really have any equivalent in English, so I'm trying my best to give you an idea of how Hebrew works. So nevertheless, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson.